The LG C2 42-inch OLED has arrived on the channel and is ready to be showcased. Hi friends and welcome to Viktors Reality. Today we'll be taking a look at a couple of scenes that I've been able to put up on this beautiful TV/monitor, and I'll be giving you my opinion so far of what I'm seeing and how awesome and amazing this 42-inch infinity contrast pixel perfect OLED brings to the table. If you're considering a PC monitor replacement, or if you just need a next generation console TV at 42 inches, this will be a top 3 TV to satisfy all your content needs. Let's get into it. Alright friends, all these videos here I am very familiar with, so I know what to expect when I'm seeing these images. This is the new LG 42-inch OLED C2, and everything I've been able to put on it looks amazing. The size is perfect for PC monitor replacements. Now for this video, we are just covering video trailers, as we will get to more in-depth with my unboxing, first impressions, review, and of course testing with consoles and PCs. But CG, animes, animation, all of that looks beautiful on this 42-inch OLED. What we are seeing here is on standard at 100% max brightness. I show you full power so you guys know what to expect, and whatever you're seeing here, you cannot go higher than that. I love brightness power. I want to enjoy the picture. I want to be wowed when I'm watching these amazing images. And you can see right here, it looks beautiful. HDR makes this TV really stand out. I have no complaints in HDR mode, while in SDR mode it does vary of what you're seeing, right? Depending on the content and quality of the content, that all depends on any TV. But so far, black and white gaming and these beautiful CG images, everything looks beautiful on this OLED TV. The reds and oranges really stand out to my eyes on this TV so far. And like I said before, the 42-inch size is perfect for PC monitor replacements, or if you just wanted another high-end quality TV for your sports or media consumption. This does give you infinity contrast, and even compared to my Samsung S95B, it's a lot easier on the eyes at this size. Here I am showcasing a lot of videos to give you a wider range of scenes to view, as you can see how colorful and beautiful these images look with different color palettes to show you what this TV can really provide. Having many monitors and TVs here on the channel, the brightness is great at this size, but what really stands out is the pixel perfect pixels on this TV. No motion blur, no smear, everything is instant. Of course, the power of OLED. It really needs to be seen. If you come from any current monitor that you have right now that is not OLED or QD-OLED, these types of monitors or TVs at these sizes give you pixel perfect response times, everything in movement, there is no smear. You can check out the playlist, as I will have a game called Cultic, as that is a perfect low bit smear test, I would say. And I have yet to see any smear. It's that fast, and I will showcase that here on the channel, so you can check the playlist if you are interested. If you do play a lot on the PC, I will have that up very soon. Here what I'm showing is the brightness power. I show this on all my TVs and monitors to show you how powerful and how bright the TV can get. This is in SDR mode. The brightness is powerful, especially at this size. Now it won't fill up a living room, but for a desk or a bedroom, this is perfect. It can get bright enough, and the SDR and HDR peak brightness does look great on this TV. Coming up now friends, I will have a lot of flashing and bright lights, so be aware and turn away if you can't handle that. I do not see any fading or color washing at these high brightness levels. I don't see that. So this passes my test, as I can have it at full brightness and I don't see any washed images, not even compared to the S95B. I would say now, having seen both the OLED from LG at 42 inches though, versus the Samsung 55-inch S95B, the difference is in color brightness. It does look brighter on the S95B color-wise, but on this OLED, it is not color faded or color washed. So again, I would say, now that I'm seeing this, if you have an OLED C1 or C2, there is no need to jump and get the S95B. Again, I'm telling you this to be honest, and what I'm seeing, this is good enough, just as good as the S95B, but the brightness on the S95B in color is the difference. But the OLED C1, C2, I'm sure prior OLEDs, they do not look washed now that I'm seeing this. So you don't have to throw out your TV in the first place just to get the S95B. You don't have to do that. The S95B has other advantages. But from a color standpoint, they look almost alike, though the S95B does look a little bit better. again in brightness, color. But it also could be due to how small this TV is, as I'm sitting closer to it than the S95B, which is 55 inches. But again, we will get to that in another video. I'm just giving you my opinion here. Actually, this is my first time seeing this TV, and I want to showcase these images with you. And be sure to check out my unboxing and first impressions video coming up very soon. So friends, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you never miss out on a future LG OLED C2 monitor or TV video. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you guys next time.